Accounting is a very broad field, and while you can enter a career in accounting, it can also lead to careers in finance, into tax, or even into purchasing or operations. So let's explore a little bit what you can do in the accounting field. You can enter into public accounting, which would be external audits of financial statements. You could become an internal auditor, which would be something similar, but you'd be auditing internal controls for one specific company. You can also go into private industry and get involved in operational accounting, where you're actually applying the accounting pronouncements to transactions in your company. You could also get involved in the reporting aspect as well, whether it be SEC reporting or internal board reporting. Now, you can also expand into tax accounting, which actually takes the GAAP set of books and makes adjustments to have those be in compliance with IRS codes and with state codes as well. And you can also branch out into finance. Some companies have separate accounting and finance departments. Sometimes it's really one. But in finance, you're moving away from some of the transactional accounting aspects and moving into budgeting and forecasting, or doing modeling, or being involved with pricing acquisitions or divestitures, or in calculating severance and contingencies. Now, accounting also allows you to move into some other disciplines, such as purchasing, like I mentioned a little while ago, because you can still use the accounting and finance background in terms of evaluating vendors and being efficient in costs, but actually being more in an operational role rather than in the accounting finance role. So not only is accounting very broad in terms of the technical aspects of what you do, but it's also very broad in terms of industry. You can go into governmental entities, nonprofits, you can go into corporations or startups, you can work in the retail industry, or you can work in financial services that doesn't have tangible product. So it's very broad, and it's also very interesting because it's a great field to be cross-functional. If you like to learn about what's going on in the company, you're not restricted to just the numbers. You actually will understand what you're doing in accounting and finance much better if you work cross-functionally with the sales team, with the operations team. So this background allows you, like I said, very broad exposure to industry, to technical aspects, as well as to cross-functionality within companies.